There is a gorgeous sunset, and your eye has already framed the perfect photo, but your phone battery is nearly dead. You're traveling internationally or in more remote areas, and you noticed your phone battery is draining fast. Well, why your phone batteries drain fast while traveling? This is the story of why. Your phone has a SIM card and it is always accepting and transmitting data. No matter where you are, your phone is always searching for a signal. It is connected to the nearest tower. Considerable amount of power is needed to search for the signals, and while traveling, signal strength fluctuates a lot. It is constantly traveling in and out of a tower's range and into the next one. Your phone pings each tower which is entering and leaving its range. This causes more power usage and power drain, and even after your phone has found a signal, it will keep churning until it finds a better one. So to solve that problem, you can try turning on the airplane mode. Location services are also a battery eater. Google Maps already know where you are and instantly drops a location pin. The same thing goes with the Wi-Fi. Letting these turn on is not worth the toll it takes on your battery, innit? That's all, friends. Do check other interesting stories of mine.